funeral directions in the will. You can also, if you don't want to go into too much detail in the will, you can put what's called a letter of wishes with the will as well, which is kept with the original will, which isn't actually a legal document, but it can be a very good direction to the executors, so that you might have put a brief outline of what you want in the will itself, which is a legal document that becomes a public document, so everybody can see it if they have the desire to do so. But if you want to go into more detail, then you can put a letter of wishes with it.
Do my debts die with me, or can they die with me?
No, they don't. Unfortunately, they become part of the. They become a part of the estate and have to be.
If there is anything in the estate to be able to pay them.
Well, exactly. Yes.
There isn't.
Okay, there are insolvent estates where the debts exceed the liabilities, and in those circumstances, the executors can find themselves in quite a difficult position, actually.
Now, you talk about the executors. Yeah. The solicitors can be executors. You could be one of the executors.
Yes, sometimes, yes.
Is that fairly frequent?
Yeah, it is. Yes. It's entirely down to the individual, and they may prefer it to be family members. They may prefer it to be professional people like solicitors, or it may, if their estates are fairly complex, then sometimes it'll be a combination of the two, a family member and a solicitor.
Well, the executor who might be a family member, I suppose your role, if you're a solicitor or whoever else is executor, perhaps not as close as a family member, it's got quite a difficult time to deal with these things, isn't it? Because it's not.
Yes, it can be, because if you.
Especially the sudden death of a younger person.
Well, yes, it can be. It can be actually quite traumatic. But where solicitors are appointed, it's usually an indication that there's been a fairly strong contact between the person who made the will and the solicitor in the first place. In other words, they've been a very long established client, and indeed, most of the executorships that I've taken on are people that I've acted for years, and therefore the client, has almost become a friend anyway.
Legal Eagles on Mansfield 103.2 with Hopkins Solicitors. See us online at hopkins-solicitors.co.uk or call 468 468.